Fashion photography thrives on refined toning, where color enhances style without distracting from the subject. How to design fashion photo toning. Open Photoshop and import your photo onto a canvas around 2,000 pixels wide, then convert the layer into a smart object so edits remain adjustable. Add a color balance adjustment layer and gently shift tones to complement wardrobe colors and lighting mood. Lower opacity so the effect remains elegant and controlled. Introduce a curves adjustment layer and make slight adjustments to contrast so textures appear crisp while skin stays smooth. Add a gradient map with soft hues and reduce